turn to your math book to page 64, please. I'm so tired, I'm so tired. 64, please. Let's look at page 64. So this is our concept development. We're on page 64 of our math book. We're looking at the concept. We're developing knowledge about the concept. Let me clean up my, maybe. Okay. So it says reading numbers. Numbers represented with numerals use commas to separate some digits. Commas group the digit into periods. In number 38,924, the thousands period contains 38 thousands and the ones period contains 924 ones. Read the number as 38,934. It says when you read a numbered name, it is separated into two parts by a comma. 61,213. So you would write 61,213. Notice that a comma follows thousands. When you need to write the numbered name, place a comma after the thousands place. So try it. It says write the number in standard form. It says 10,365. So I'd say 10,000, comma, because there's a comma right there, 365. 65. And then we're looking at the next one. It says write the word name for the number. We have 3,461. So it's going to be 3,000, comma, 461. 61. Okay. And then using expanded form, the place value position of a digit determines the value of the digit. 82,594. 8 10,000s equals 80,000. 2,000s equals 2,000. I'm not, y'all can't see what I'm doing. 500s equals 500. 9 10s equals 90. And 4 1s equals 4. So in expanded form, a number is represented as the sum of the value of each digit. So it says write this number in expanded form. So we would say start with the 4 in the 10,000s place. My stupid book. This book's getting on my nerves today. So we would say 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 2. And then the second one, it says write it in expanded form. So we're going to say, okay, we're going to say 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 6. That's the concept development. So let's go over to the concept application. This is where we're going to apply the concept that we developed a minute ago in our book. So it says the odometer on Mr. Johnson's car shows 65,216 miles. How is the number written in standard form? So standard form, remember, standard form is just how the number is written. It is 65,000, 216 miles. So we need to find 65,216 miles. Well, we know this doesn't have 16 on the end of it, B or C. Doesn't have 16 on the end of it. So it's either A or D. So we have 60, this is 65,200,016 or 65,216. All you gotta do is read the number to yourself and say which one sounds like the one that I read, and that is D. Y'all with me? This is easy.
Yes.
Should be kind of reviewish. It says, which is not a way to show 683. It says, which one is not a way to show? So we have 6 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 3 ones. Remember what I said, whenever we see this, we have to do the long version of it. We got to say 6 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 3 times 1. So 6 times 100 is 600. 8 times 10 is 80. Plus 3, that would be 683. So is that how we show it? Is that a way? Yes. So if that is a way, we're going to cross it out because that's not going to be one of our answers. I'm going to get a piece of paper. It's probably easier. And then looking at the next one, we have 68 tens. 68 tens and plus 3 ones. So to see what 68 tens is, we would say 68 times 10 plus 3 times 1. 68 times 10, take off a 0, put it down. 6 times 1 is 68. 3 times 1 is 3, so that would give me 683. So that does show 683, so that is not a choice. So now let's check this next one. And I think a lot of you, another thing that you may actually do is you'll see that this says 5 hundreds, 18 tens, and 3 ones, and you're going to say, oh, well, that can't be 600 because it's got to be 6 hundreds. You'll say the 500s, but you have to work out each problem. So then we're going to say 5 hundreds plus 18 tens plus 3 ones. So let me move this out of my way. Charging cord's in my way. So 500, so it'd be 5 times 100 plus 18 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Do you agree with me so far? Remember how we did this yesterday? All right, so then now we're going to multiply. 5 times 100, take off 2 zeros, put it down. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus, we have 18 times 10, take 1 0 off, put it down. 18 times 1 is 18, plus 3 times 1 is 3. So then we're going to add 500 plus 180 plus 3. Add it, we get 386. Does that give us our answer?
Yes.
Yes, so again, that one's not it either. So we need to look at 683 tens. So 600s plus 83 tens. So we'll say 6 times 100 plus 83 times 10. Okay. So 6 times 100, take off 2 zeros, bring them down. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 83 times 10, take down my 0. 83 times 1 is 83. So 600 plus 830. 0, 3, 6 plus 8 is 14. So that would be 1,430. So which one is not show 683? That would be D. See how I had to work out each individual problem? You have to, the wrong one. You have to work out each individual problem when you have problems like that. I know it takes forever, but it's just you have to do that or you're gonna get it wrong. And I would prefer you to work it out and see that you got it wrong because you worked it out wrong than just guessing and you not knowing why you got it wrong in the first place. Camera's not liking me today. Okay, let's look at number 3. It says there are 86,632 people in the city of Jackson. How was the number written in words? So we have 87,632. We have, we'll see, 87,632. Okay, well, we see that is right, but let's check the other ones just to make sure. We have 87,623. 623. We have 80,632. 632. And then we have 80,732. So, which one matches 87,632? A. Let's look at the next problem. It says, which expression means the same as 33,206? So, 33,206. So now what you have to do is you need to either look at it and see which one is correct, or you can add them all together, add the digits together to see which one would give you that number. Or you can look at them, okay? We have 300,000 plus 30,000 plus 200 plus 60. Do I have a number in the 300,000s? No. Okay? Then we have 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 6. That sounds about right. But let's check the other ones. We have 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 60. No, because it says 206, not 260. And then we have 3,300 plus 200 plus 6. Well, I can add those together just to check. That would be 3,506. That's not my number. No. Yeah, 3,506. So the only answer it could be is B. All right, looking at this one, ooh, we got a table. It says the table shows the recent population of some cities. It says Asheville has 87,121. Burlington has 52,709. Chapel Hill has 59,246. And Wake Forest has 40,112. It says Macy rates the population of Burlington. Which is the correct word form for the population of Burlington? So we're just looking at Burlington. So I'm going to circle Burlington just so I can remember that I'm just looking for this one. That is 52,709. So I have 52,709. Okay, could be it. But let's check the other ones. 50,279. Let's see. 50,279. Then I have 52,079. And then I have 5,279. 5,279. And then we have 52,700 and 9. So which one matches? A. Very good. And then looking at number 6, it says each population on the table contains a 2. Which addendum represents the value of 2 in the expanded form for the population of Chapel Hill? So Chapel Hill, we have, let's write it down here, 59,246. It says each population on the table contains a 2. Which addendum, or which addition, represents the value of the 2 in the population of Chapel Hill? So what is the value of the 2 in the population of Chapel Hill?
It's 200.
It's 200. Very good. All right, I want everybody to try the concept practice. I'm going to give you about, it should only take you about 15 minutes. So when that clock hits 10 o'clock, 10:03, then we're going to go over it. And you're going to check it. So you got till that clock says 10:03. Should not take you that long. What?
What page is the one we're on?
66. You're going to work on that till the clock says 10:03, and then we're going to go over it. Till the clock says 10:03, we're gonna work on the math till 10:03. 3 minutes, then we're gonna go over it. Alright, it is 10:03 on my clock in the back of the classroom, so we're going to go over these problems. If you're not done, let me know, but everybody should be done. There should have been plenty of time. Let me throw my thing. My clip. Alright. Why do you hate me so much today, computer? Alright, number 1. It says Nancy writes the number 78,932 in different ways. Which expression is not equal to 78,932? Not being our clue. So let's get my piece of paper. I'm gonna need a new notebook. I got like 3 pages left in this notebook. Wow. All right, so we have 7,000. We'll just put though. Plus 8,900. Plus 3 tens. Plus 2 ones. So 7,000 plus 89 times 100 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. All right, so we have 7,000. 8,900 would be 89 plus 2 zeros plus 3 tens would be 30 and 2 ones would be 2. Hey, friend.
I hit you up.
No, you're good. So 7,000 plus 8,900 plus 30 plus 2. Miss Kakako just came in, scared the mess out of me. Just about jumped out of my chair here. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 7 is, let's see, 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 more is 15. So we have 15,932. Now we know that that is not 78,932. So we're going to check the other ones before we decide that that one is the answer. So we're going to go to B. It says 78,000. That 1,000 means you need to make a comma. 932. 932. Okay? Then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to say 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 2. So we have 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 2. And then we have 78,000, 93 tens, and 2 ones. Well, we can't automatically say that will equal that, so we have to figure it out. So we got to say 78,000 times 1,000, oops, plus 93 tens, plus 2 ones. So 1, 2, 3, put down 3 zeros. 78 times 1 is 78, so that's 78,000. 93 tens, take off 1 zero, put it down. 93 times 1 is 93. And then 2 times 1 is 2, so then I'm going to add 78,000 plus 930 plus 2. Add it together, gives me 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. So which one does not equal 78,932? Anybody, everybody, somebody?
A.
Hey, thank you, Christopher. All right, looking at numero dos, number 2, numero dos. Dos, number 2. It says a video has been viewed online 56,066 times. Which expression has the same value as 56,066? So we know it's going to have something in the ones and the tens and the thousands and the 10,000s. Okay? So is there anything in the hundreds place? No. So I can automatically say that A and C are not it. Because they have a number in the hundreds place, that's 600, and that would not be it. And that's only 5,000. We need 50,000. All right, then now I can say, all right, what I can look at and I can say is, all right, this is 50,000 and this is 60,000. Which number is in my 10,000s place? What's the value of the number in my 10,000s place? What's the value of the number in my 10,000s place?
60.
60. So automatically we know it is D. 60,000 plus 6,000 plus 60 plus 6. If I add it all together, I would get 56,066. The answer is D. If you got it right, give yourself a check mark. If you got it wrong, please fix it. And then number 3, it says the population of Center City is 39,206. How is this number written in words? We have 39,206. 206. All right. We see that's right, but let's check the other ones just to make sure. We have 309,206. And then we had 39,026. So 39,026. And then we have 3,926. So which one matches?
That's okay.
That would be A. Very good. Looking at number 4. Or cuatro, numero cuatro. Spanish is my not second language. It says Miss Sawyer has 58,016 miles in her frequent flyer account. How is this number written using numerals? When I see numerals, I'm going to think of numbers. Like when I see digit, I'm going to think of number. So we said 58,016 miles. So we have 5,816. We have 50,816. We have 58,016. We have 58,160. Which one is it? C. Number 5. Cinco. Número 5. It says Brad writes a 5-digit number with a 6 in the 10,000s place. A 5. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me get my piece of paper. Kindergartens. Get my paper. It's easier to do it this way. Let's not go to the next page. It says, y'all can't see the problem. Well, y'all have it on your thing, but it says Brad writes a 5-digit number with a 6 in the 10,000th place. So we have a 5-digit number. So I'm going to draw 5 dashes. Hold on. Hold, please. I'm having technical book issues. Here we go. All right, so I'll write my dashes down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-digit number with a 6 in the 10,000th place. So which ones? This is my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000th place. So we know that is a 6. A 5 in the tens place. So I go ones. I can label it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000ths. It says a 5 in the tens place, a 7 in the hundreds place, and a 2 in the thousands place. It says which number could Brad have written? So 62,752. Wait a minute. 62,750. So we have two choices that are 62,000. So we can cross out A and B. All right. We have a 7 in my hundredths place. So which one has the 7 in it? A or C? I mean C or D? D. All right. Then the next digit has to be a 5. So which one has a 5 in it?
D.
D. And then and we don't know what the last number would be, but we know the answer is D because everything else matches up. And then number 6 says which is not a way to represent 1,643. So here we go again. We got to get our paper out to help us work it out. We have 1,000, so I'm just going to say 1 times 1,000. This is A. 64 tens plus 64 tens plus 3 ones. So 1,000 times 1 is 1,000 plus 64 tens, take off a 0, it'd be 640 plus 3 ones is 3, so it'd be 1,641. So is that my answer? Not A. Sorry guys, my book doesn't want to cooperate today. So it's not A. Oh, which is not a way to represent 1,643? See, I would have got it wrong already. All right, then we go to the B. We say 1,600s, 4 10s, and 3 1s. So 1,000s plus 600s plus 4 10s plus 3 1s. So we have 1,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. That would give us 1,643. So is that representing 1,643? Yes, so cross that out. And then we have 1,643 tens. So 1 times 1,000 plus 600s, 6 times 100 plus 43 tens. 43 times, that's not a 3, 43 times 10. So that's 1,000 plus 600. 43 tens would be 430. So then I'd say 1,000 plus 600 plus 430. 0, 3, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1, that's 2,030. Oh, I did A wrong. That one's not it. And then we have 1,600s, 4 10s, and 3 1s. I'm just going to turn my paper so I don't use a whole nother paper. 1,600s times 100 plus 4 10s, 4 times 10, plus 3 1s. So 16 times 1 is 16. 4 times 10 is 40. 3 times 1 is 3. So that would be 1,643. So which one does not equal 1,643? C. Good job. All right. All right, we're gonna stop right there. This is your time to go and do Ed puzzle videos. There's one on there from yesterday, colonization, that y'all need to do because we're gonna start talking about when the English came over to America and the Indians. So go watch that colonization video and finish all Ed puzzle videos, or start working on some of them tomorrow. That's going to be what you're going to do, is you're going to finish all your missing work. And I may add another video up there. So you need to make sure that you're doing your Ed puzzle videos and stuff. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.